What up, world? Welcome to our vacation tour of our hotel room. We're out here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and I really like the suite out here. It's kind of off of the strip, which I kind of like the most because I'm more of a city boy and I like to get away from all the craziness. But today we're celebrating my fiance's birthday. Babe, can you come in this really quick? Come here, come here, come here. Say hello to the people out there in the world. So she's gonna give you guys a tour of our room. Yeah, I really like the room. It's out here in Palms Place, right? You got the Palms Hotel, and it's like 3 different hotels, and they're actually doing some reconstruction down there right now. So without further ado, here's our stay. Holla.
What up, guys? So we are in Palms Place, which is right next to the Palms and the Palms Fantasy Tower. It's more of like a business class hotel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the 1-bedroom condo suite, which is a little bit bigger than their general suite. Anyway, so starting from the front of the door, open this up, and here you see like a little guest bathroom, has a little toilet area. Everything in this hotel is modern. As you can see, the architecture, I really like the sink and how it attaches to the mirror. So that's pretty cool. As you come down this little walkway, you're going to see a small but really cool kitchen. So if you did want to come here and do a little cooking inside, which I think is a little bit more romantic, you have this kitchen area which comes with a full-size refrigerator. It also comes with a freezer and also a second freezer which has an ice maker down here, so that's really convenient. But there is a microwave and it does come fully equipped with china, a little bit of like cookware, salt and pepper, coffee maker with coffee, which is always a plus for the morning. You have this stove top and also a deep sink, which is really cool. If you come around here, you'll see that there is a dishwasher, so even if you don't want to wash dishes, that is really convenient. I've never seen that in a hotel room, so that's pretty cool. In these cabinets down here, you have some cleaning supplies, paper towel, a first aid kit, and a trash can. And I believe they would have cooking supplies. And I was right. So you got toaster, blender, teapot, kettle, and then over here you see your dining room area, which comfortably seats 4 people. But as you look out in here, which is my favorite part of the room, this is the living room. It comes equipped with a office table, and you have this lounge chair. We got the fireplace going, which at night looks really beautiful. We have this glass table, which is huge, and a TV, 2 other sitting areas, which are very comfortable. I tried them out earlier and I couldn't get up, guys. I'm not kidding you. We have a small balcony out here, which isn't much of a view, but it feels really nice out here. There's actually like a nice breeze going. First thought it was a bathroom and it wasn't. We just have a bathtub in the room, guys. If y'all trying to get y'all romance on, then here we go. Tried to use this earlier with the bath bomb and I noticed it was a jacuzzi tub, but unfortunately ours doesn't work. I don't know what this little thingamabob is over here. I assume that it was a shower head, but I can't get that to work either. So if y'all know what that is, please comment me and tell me what that is, because I don't know what that is. We have TV right here, which faces this king size bed, which is comfortable, you guys. Like, I laid in it, tried to lay in it for like 3 seconds, and I could not get up. I swear to God, I took a nap for like 4 hours. You have an iPod dock, which comes in handy while you're trying to get ready. Probably play some songs, get some jams on, get your mood going. You have a lot of mirrors everywhere. There's mirrors all over this condo. Also, a lot of closet space. You have a safe, there's drawers, extra pillows, sheets, blankets, ironing board, vacuum. And right here, as you can see, we have more closet space. I placing our shoes and purses up there, so that comes in handy as well. For me, I fell in love with this little vanity area, which I use to just store my jewelry and accessories. And as you come into here, we are in the bathroom, which has a very unique rainfall shower. The shower comes out from the top, but it also comes out through the sides. You can fit like a lot of people. It feels really good. Over here we have a makeup mirror, his and her sinks. And then we have a little bathroom area, which once again has a mirror. And did you guys check out that TV? Come on now. TV in the bathroom? That's dope. So as we're coming out, you have a sliding door leading right back into the kitchen, living room area. One more thing I forgot to show you guys. If you haven't noticed, we don't have just one, but there's 2 balcony areas out here. This one's a bit larger. And this one actually has a decent view of the strip. If you look out at night, it looks really pretty. The Luxor is all lit up. You can see all the lights, so it's really, really dope. Even though it's not on the strip, it's very, very conveniently close to the strip.
Alright guys, that was our tour of our room out here in the Palms Place. Once again, thanks to my, she's on this side, that side, there she is. Thanks to my beautiful fiance, holding it down. This is our vacation, and hopefully you guys can come down. I would definitely recommend this place. What is this place called?
This is Palms Place, located right next to Palms Casino and Palms Fantasy Tower. They're literally like right next to each other. As a matter of fact, there's a sky tube that connects to the other Palms Casino, so you gotta go outside, guys.
So you guys definitely gotta get the suite. What is the name of the suite?
This is the 1-bedroom condo.
1-bedroom condo, that's what it is. You guys gotta come and get that out. Well, hope you guys have fun. This is Gen Spin, and we are out.